Hello everyone, I am Mehul Mali from the technical department. Today we will be discussing about the sheave replacement procedure for IGL21 machines, and this is the tool list required for the same. So we will require one Allen key 10 mm, 19 mm ratchet spanner, or we can also use fixed spanner. We will require 4 M12 bolts by 100 mm length with nuts and packings, which is used as a packing purpose to push and pull the sheave. One screwdriver and one hammer. Thank you. Hello everyone, now we will be explaining the process of sheave removal for IGL21 machine. Now for IGL21 machine, firstly we will be use 10 mm Allen key to loosen and unscrew all the bolts. Once all the bolts are unscrewed, we will take 4 M12 bolts, M12 by 100 mm, and we will install in the provision given on the sheave. We will be screwing in all the bolts and tightening them, all the bolts simultaneously, so the sheave will move in the outward direction. So we will ensure that the bolts are completely inserted, so we can lift the pulley. Okay, so this is the sheave replacement process for IGL21 machine.